So hopefully you've gotten really good at determining if table data is being that's given to you, if it's a relation or a function. But now we're going to change it up and say, what if we give you a set of ordered pairs and ask you, is it a relation or a function? So we're going to do the same mapping diagram. Remember that in an ordered pair, the first number is an x and the second number is a y. So x, y. And then this one would be an x value and this would be the y value. So what I like to do is when I take a look at the first order pairs, I like to write this down on scratch paper. I'll say that the 3 is matched up to a 2, and then I look at the second ordered pair here, and I see that that 3 is happening again for x. So I just kind of branch it down since it has a different output. And because of that, we go, hey, it's just a relation. It can't be a function because this 3 has two different outputs here. Okay? Same thing that we did with the table data, just how they gave it to us was just slightly different. And let's take a look at these three ordered pairs here. The 6 is paired up with the 2. The negative 8 is a new input, so we get its own level there. Negative 8 is paired up to the 0. Same thing with the 12. It's not been given to us before for an x, so it's paired up to the 3. That makes it a function. Each input has one output. And then here we've got negative 8 is paired up to the 0. And then this causes problems because they go, wait a second. A lot of students, they say that's a negative 8 and it's a 0 again. What do I do? We don't have to do anything. We've already shown that negative 8 is paired up to 0. And you know what? If this happened right here, watch this. Negative 8 is paired up to 0 for a third time. We really don't care because we've already shown this relationship once, twice, 3 times. It doesn't matter. We've shown this relationship that negative 8's input and output is 0. We've shown that. We don't have to show it again. But now when we get to this part, the 12 and the 3, we have to show that. But ultimately, we say every input has only one output. So that makes it a function, and we're done with it at this point.